What's up, YouTube? It's Danny, back with another video. Today, we are unboxing the Logitech Litra Glow. And what is that exactly? As my camera likes to blow out images because it's cheap. It is a light panel that clips to your monitor so you can have better lighting for your videos. Huh, go figure. So with me having this newer setup I've kind of slapped together. I don't have a knife. Oh, I have scissors. Hold on. For the basement, I was like, you know what? My videos could look a little better with some lighting. Some basic lighting. Nothing crazy. So actually, it was funny, is this thing is normally $50. And if you go to Office Depot right now, as of the time of recording of this video, it's like $25. No joke. So, it does use the Logitech G Hub software, which is kind of buggy. Like right now, it says that my Yeti Nano, which is owned by Logitech, I didn't know that till a few minutes ago. My Yeti Nano microphone needs an update. It says a firmware update. And I've been running it for 20 minutes, and it just sits there, like it's updating, but it's not. So, it is kind of buggy. Just keep that in mind. Did I get all the plastic? Yes, I did. Okay. I'm excited to hook this up. Yeah, Logitech for creators. This is their creator brand line. Brand line? Is that right? Product line is what I'm trying to say. Their creator product line. Keep in mind, if you try to put this on your laptop, you're going to have a bad time because it's probably too heavy for the lid of the laptop. But this is going on my 4K LG monitor. So, hi, this is Editing Danny real quick. Just to clarify, it actually does work fine with most laptops. There's only some laptops that it seems to like not work too well, whereas the lid is like not strong enough to hold it up. I saw that in some of the comments on Logitech's website. However, I did try it with my MacBook Pro, which is aluminum, no problem. Held it, no problem. So I'm not 100% correct when I say it will not work well with laptops. Most laptops should be fine, unless you got a cheapy, flimsy lid, you know, like from Acer. You know, shout out to Acer, horrible laptops. It's like Gateway. In fact, I think at one point maybe they were the same company. I don't remember. I don't care. But it will work with most laptops as long as your laptop is strong enough. Like a MacBook Pro, no problem. A Sony Vaio, no problem. Asus, depends on the model you buy. HP, the higher end ones, not the cheapies, not the Walmart brands, probably won't be able to hold it. It'll probably flip over, it's the way it is. But for most laptops, all jokes aside, most laptops should be just fine. So yeah. This is the power cable, and I think it's USB-C to USB-A. Yes, it is. Good. We're in the 21st century with a generously long USB-A to USB-C cable. Very nice. And then here is the actual light itself. And it does, like I said, mount to the back of your monitor. Looks like we have some cable management, routing options. And yeah, I got bright and dim, on and off power button. And then plus and minus is probably intensity of light, I think. Even though I think that's intensity. So what's this? I guess we'll have to find out. And hi, Editing Danny once again, one more time to interrupt. The buttons that I first pointed out with that I thought was brightness and dim, that is actually temperature. So cooler to warm. And then the plus and minus buttons are actually brightness and dimness. So yeah, there's 5 different settings on those bright and dim buttons. So there you go. More you know. I realized I forgot to try it out during this video, which is no big deal, but now you know. Okay, back to the video. Sorry for interrupting twice. Okay, bye. Subscribe, hit like. Okay, bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this up real quick. I'm going to switch to the desktop view so you can see my actual screen as I plug it in. So here we go. Okay, so I did plug in the light and it is showing up on the software. Let's see. All right, we're going to turn it on. Yes, tutorial. I get it. Okay. Got it. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's on, but it's very dim. There we go. Look at that. Let me switch to the default camera real quick. You can see a difference. So I'm going to dim it real quick with the software. See that? That's it's actually really, really bright, which is nice. You can have a cooler tint, which is probably what I'll have it on. I don't know if I'll have it that bright. Let's do that. There we go. That way I'm not completely looking like a ghost. But then you can go warm. That's all the way warm. And that's all the way cool. That's pretty cool, actually. No pun intended. Yeah, let me switch back to the screen. And is there anything else we can rename it? It looks like TrueSoft. I don't know what TrueSoft is. But yeah, that's quite nice. Oh, you can have it sync with the camera. So I'm going to switch it. Can I switch it to the live cam? Oh, yeah. I am twice now. So, very interesting. Switches to the Microsoft Cam that I also am using. Pretty cool. And, yeah. That's apparently my phone camera. Oh, snap. Dude. Okay. That's... Am I discovering a Mac OS feature I didn't really know about? I am. Since I have an iPhone. What camera do I look at? Since I have an iPhone and a Mac, and they're on the same network, and they're both updated to the latest software, you can actually use the iPhone as a webcam. I didn't know it would work with that, just that seamless. That's insane. So, yeah, this is by far the best looking camera out of all the cameras I have here currently. So, I don't know where to look, so I guess I could do this. So, because there you see more, kind of what you're seeing with the live cam, kind of. So, wow. This stuff makes a really good webcam. The iPhone. Kind of gives me an idea. I may try something. But, yeah. Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. But yeah, that's the Ultra, or the Litra Glow. I keep wanting to call it the Ultra Glow. Litra's a name they made up, obviously. Let me switch back to default. So, I don't know why I have these bars up and down. I didn't have those a second ago. I do now. They're above and below me. It looks crappy. This is the live cam. I think the software kind of messed with that. So now it's like recording weird. Let me see if I can disable. Disable and then re-enable. No. Hold on. Because it's definitely not the right aspect ratio. Nope. Okay. I don't know. Definitely low quality, though. Hold on a second. Actually, you know what? Give me 1 second. So apparently in OBS, you can also add the iPhone as a camera. Which is really cool. It's extremely cool. So there you go. Now I have a really too high quality of a camera, but that's okay. There you go. The more you know. It's pretty cool. It really gives me an idea for the iPhone. This may be the way I do the camera setup for a while until I get the camera that I want. But yeah, as you can see, it's definitely working just fine. In fact, I'll show you that since I have the phone in my hand. Let me just flip it around. And there's the actual light. So, very nice. And then these are the two bum cameras I'd be using that are not very good. This is a live camera I use more. The Microsoft HD camera is worse than the live camera, so I don't even know what it's plugged in for still, but there you go. And then there's my 4K monitor next to my crappy 1080p 27-inch monitor that's now doing the repeat thing. An infinite tunnel. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cool looking. See that? It's crazy. I'm easily distracted, everybody. Can you tell? Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned. Never thought I'd be hooking up my iPhone to OBS like I am currently doing. That's just the power of Apple and the walled garden, as people call it. Because this is pretty cool. This is really cool. You're hearing the audio from my microphone that's on my desk, and then you're seeing the video from my iPhone, which is right next to me at my desk. Thank you all so much for watching. Do appreciate it. Stay tuned. More to come. If you want this light, I'm going to link it down below. In fact, everything that I do an unboxing or review on is always linked down below. So keep that in mind. And you want to check out my eBay store, it's also linked down below. So thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.